Every little step you take will be around this bedroom tonight. You can believe that. You're not going nowhere.
YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. At Your Beach. If you're new to the channel and you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above before we get into the vid. You know, if you ain't done this all week, do it if you ain't done this all week. And yo, while you're sanitizing or right before, hit that like button for me, man. Let me get 400 likes on this joint, man. Word. Woo! And before we do, it's Friday.
And you ain't got shit to do.
Yes, sir.
For a hype.
All right, enough of that. Before we do get into this vid, I told you I got had a couple pickups that I've been waiting for, and they finally came in. Well, the last one came in today. Had to do my best to sanitize the box, you know, and let's just get to it. All right, so this is the first joint that came in. I think this came through like Monday or something. So my first joint, it's a soccer jersey, the Juventus. I think I'm saying it right. This the Cristiano Ronaldo joint. Yo, you know, boy, for them damn wave runners. Summer's gonna be crazy on the couch.
Hi, everybody.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so here's the joint right here. This is one of them white tees. I can already see it. But nah, man, what made me get this joint is, well, because it hit with them damn wave runners, but I really did like this colorway. This joint's hard, especially with the different colors on the ends of the sleeves. Ronaldo, number 7 in that real bright green. This is gonna kill me right here. Give me a second. Hell no, my joint had a little marketing, man. I was like, couldn't really see it, but I can see it. You know what I'm saying? Hell no, but yeah. So this is the joint, man. Like I said, Adidas joint. The couch summer is mine. You know what I'm saying? Put this joint right in. All right, next up, copped another Inter Milan jersey. I like these Inter Milan joints, and the joint just got tougher. I did see that they had a white one, but I said that's already gonna be a casualty, so, you know, so bam. Inter Milan, Lukaku, I think that's how you say his name. Mainly blue, you can already see. Number 9, driver trademark at the bottom. Pirelli Tires is the sponsor. Oh yeah, Jeep is the sponsor on this joint, as well as Adidas. But yeah, and I know what you're saying. Oh, didn't you already have one?
I do.
My second one, but I let this one go. Size large, whenever the situation gets over with, it'll be in one of my sales. But yeah, nah, I like this joint. Like I said, they do have a white one. That one's pretty tough, but it looks like it's gonna be a bitch to keep clean. So yeah, here's my 2 pickups right here. And let's get these joints out the way. All right, so you know what this video is about, the diamond turfs. Cat's been asking me, well, they ain't been asking me, but they've asked me in the past when I rock the joints, yo, how do you keep your strap from flopping all over the place? Good question. And I had to learn this after years of having to rock the joint like strapped up. Not saying that strapped up is whack. Speaking of, shout out to the homie Bronx Chacon. He had the diamond turfs on, as a matter of fact. When I saw him a couple weeks ago, he had his joint strapped. Nothing wrong with that. But anyway, my first pair of diamond turfs were not these joints. They were the Diamond Turf 2s, same colorway though. And I remember when I went to the school, I was hyped. It was around right after Christmas. I was hyped, gonna rock them joints. I seen one of my homeboys. He had these Diamond Turfs right here. Well, the OGs. He had them joints, but he could rock his, you know what I'm saying, with the strap just like that. So I'm like, oh shit. I'm thinking I'm about to rock my joints like that. So I'm noticing, you know, it's a little flappery, you know, Flappy Bird's going on. I'm like, it's all good. You know, you just take small geisha steps. You're not gonna do that, you know what I'm saying? Man, I'll never forget it, man. Hold up.
Come on!
So I think maybe my homeboy might have already told me, like, yo, same homeboy was like, yo, man, strap them joints up. And I'm like, nah. Yo, I'm walking down school, and I think we're like, our bus came in late for some reason. I don't know. But yo, bro, I'm walking, and this chick dead says to me, she said, yo, strap your shoes up. I said, damn. And my homeboy played me out too. He's like, man, I told you.
Man, you stupid. Don't have no sense.
I was like, damn. You know what I mean? So from that day on, I had to strap them joints up, yeah. When these came back out, back in 2000, no, these are not it. The 2012 version, I was gonna rock them how I wanted to rock them joints. I just had to figure out a way, but I was more creative by this time. So all I did, man, I just simply tied them up the right way. And when I got to the top, all you do is you put the strap through the bunny ears because I lace them up regular. Ain't no science behind it. But when I clamp down, I make sure that I am not clamping down. I make sure that this damn shoelace is nowhere touching this damn Velcro part. Because, yo, you'll rip these shits apart and that's no good. I make sure that it's right there up in that damn crease. And I just put these joints down just like that. I catch like the top of the Velcro so the lace won't start sliding down and just start getting rips on itself. And that's just it. You can tell by in the video the difference between having it secured and not having it secured. Now, I've seen some people, depending on the shoe size, they got a smaller foot. I've seen them, you know, kind of like stay in place. But you got to realize after all that, like walking and stuff, the material is only going to be strong for so long. It's going to give way eventually, you know. This also works with uptowns, the mid joints. I don't have a pair. I ain't had a pair in years, ever since the Nelly video. But yeah, it also works with that. If I had a pair, I would show you. But it's easy. Just lace it up to the second to the last. Put one shoestring through when you put it in, when you start lacing them into the last hole. If you get what I said, second to the last. Put it through that little strap, whatever side it's on. Put it through that little strap, and then lace it to the top. Then you can tie it. You can do whatever you want, but that strap's gonna stay still. That's a real big problem with uptowns. Yo, I used to hate seeing them joints look like they sword fighting when you're walking down the hall or something like that. But yeah, man, that's how I rock my diamond turfs. That's my preferred way. Nothing against, you know, putting them in the strap. I do know with the Huaraches, one of my favorite sneaks all time. Yeah, I used to have to do it like that, but that was real tricky because the Velcro was gonna start catching the damn laces. But anyway, man, I'm about to get up out of here. 400 likes on this joint. This is a quick joint right here. Just wanted to share with y'all how I lace up my, well, not how I lace up my joints, how I keep that strap secure, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to the Wave Mob, everybody that's been rocking with me. Follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be, but that's Snubs. It's your boy Wavy. I noticed my channel is Georgia Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.